In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a subdomain in Hostinger. I will create a separate video about what is a subdomain and a domain. So this video is only dedicated about how you can create a subdomain in Hostinger. So let's start our video. So I have opened my Hostinger dashboard, and you can see there are a lot of options here. So at the left side there is an option of websites. If you click on it, you will go to the websites list where you can check your domain portfolio, and it is taking a little longer to load. So it is opened here, so you can see there are two websites here, buildandearn.com and portfolio.buildandearn.com. Basically portfolio.buildandearn.com is a subdomain of buildandearn.com. So I want to create a subdomain of buildandearn.com. So to do that, I will go towards the dashboard of buildandearn.com and press the dashboard to open dashboard options. So I've just clicked on dashboard. So all the options of dashboard sections are opened here. After that, we need to search for domains from the left bar options. So here is the domains option, so I will click on it, and this time I will go to the subdomains, and from here you can create subdomains of your domain. Like I have already created a subdomain of portfolio.buildandearn.com, which actual website is buildandearn.com. So to create a subdomain, bring your cursor over subdomain section, subdomain field, and type the name of your subdomain. Like I'm going to type demo here, and you can also choose custom folder for your subdomain, and benefit of doing that is you will get an extra folder for your subdomain. So I'm not gonna do this, and after that I am going to click on create, and in a few seconds your subdomain will be available. So a pop-up appear which says subdomain created successfully. So, and you can also see demo.portfolio.buildandearn.com is available here. So if I go towards the websites list now, you can see that there is another website here, but like others website like this portfolio and buildandearn.com, they have website WP admin here, but the new one demo.buildandearn.com do not have any WP admin. Also, if I click on this website, it will not show anything, it's only showing you're all set to go. So I have to install WordPress manually here. So to install WordPress manually, just click on dashboard next to the new subdomain, and it will open some new options here. And you can see it's opened the buildandearn.com domain, but not the demo.buildandearn.com subdomain. And also these are the options of buildandearn.com except of demo.buildandearn.com. So I will go towards the WordPress section here, WordPress directory, and I will go to the overview, and in this section, instead of buildandearn.com, instead of this buildandearn.com, I will select the demo.buildandearn.com, and right here it will ask me to install WordPress. So here are some options which are detect WordPress and install WordPress. So I will click on install WordPress because we do not have uh, WordPress installed here. So to install a new one, I will click on install, and it will start installing WordPress on this new subdomain. But before that, it will ask me to add credentials to the website, like giving the name to the website at the title section, then typing my administration mail, and giving the password, etc., and username to this website. So after filling this detail, I will click on the next, and then you can select PHP version, site language, and other options, and you can keep them as it is, and then click on install, and it will start installing the WordPress on this new subdomain, and PHP is already installed, and it will take few moments to install the WordPress on our new subdomain. So after a few seconds, it installed WordPress on our new subdomain. So uh, if I go to the website list now, you can see there is WP admin right after our new subdomain, and if I click on WP admin here, it will open the backend of our new subdomain. It always takes a little longer when you log in through the backend of your hosting. And if I open this link, and it's opened the default homepage of WordPress, and also it's open the backend of our subdomain. So in this way you can create a subdomain on Hostinger account and also install WordPress on that subdomain. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If this video helps you to learn something new, make sure to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and also like this video. Thank you very much.